Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be showing you how to use the Tubi app. If you're looking for a free ad-supported streaming service with thousands of movies, TV shows and live TV channels, this app is for you guys. Now let's move to how to use it. First, to do that, what you need to do is open up your app store and download your app if you haven't. Search Tubi on your search bar, and after this icon with Tubi pops up, tap on that and then tap on install button, and after installing it, open up your app. So first you'll have to log in or sign up with a Google account or email or even Apple account. Then on the home screen you'll find curated categories like featured, trending and genres. Browse through these to discover popular content. You can tap on the Explore tab to access curated filters such as Tubi picks, genres, collections, and networks. This helps you find content tailored to your preferences. Then tap on the Live TV tab to access a variety of channels including news, sports, and entertainment. Browse through the TV guide to find what's currently airing. You can sign in to your account to create a personalized watch list. Tap the plus icon next to any title to add it to your list for easy access later. Then if you're not sure what to watch, use the Tubi shuffle feature by tapping the dice icon. This will randomly select a title for you, and that's a quick overview of the Tubi app. Enjoy your streaming and your favorite content. I hope you guys liked this video. Like if it did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video.